work on the thing because this is making my computer a lot slower than I'm used to. So this is my snow image. That's not very pretty, but we'll do with it. Snow. So should we put snow on this? Should I make the floor as snow? And the walls as ice maybe? Let's just try something at this point. Just want to see how it goes. So the nice thing about this being a JavaScript game is that, oh yeah, that looks much better. See, now I really feel like I'm in North Pole. This is exactly how the North Pole looks like, right? So as you can see, we have Pang. You see a creature right here, followed by your bunny. The bunny is one of his friends, and the original idea is that uh, in Penguin Quest 1, Peng was looking for friends, and he found two friends. One is Bunny, and then the other one is called Big Face. And now he has friends to attend his party. But now this is the second game, and since he already met his friends, this Bunny name is Bonnie. So now since he met his friends Bonnie and Big Face, we're gonna start the game directly with Bonnie, and maybe we're gonna be looking for Big Face. We'll see. One thing I like to do is put up your graphics to remind about the previous game. So this is the graphics I want to put up. Penguin Quest.jpg. I'm gonna put it on one of the walls, I guess. So first we're gonna have to define it. Frame, picture frame, picture frame. Assets, image, penguin quest.jpg. Okay. Just want to test quickly that works. So I'll just change all the walls temporarily. Just maybe just the wall that faces south. It's good to sometimes work incrementally. Also, yeah, we can see the pictures here. That's pretty good. I want to make it. So this is actually for a game jam that's centered around pixel graphics. So I should make this a little bit more pixelated because it doesn't look looks a little bit too high resolution. So how can I do it? I scale it down. The thing is here, even though I scale it, it doesn't really scale the image within the game. It's just that it's taking the image itself, scaling it down and use it as a texture. So I'm going to scale it by 0.2. So all this code, it really doesn't look like any language that you know, but because this is actually working off an engine that I've already built. So right now, if you're following this stream, you're not going to learn a lot of JavaScript, but maybe at some point I'm going to be doing a little bit of JavaScript work, so it's going to be a little bit more interesting. But right now, I just want to get things done the way I like. More pixelated. This is not enough. Scale 0.05. Oh, that's too pixelated. I don't like this. Yeah, we cannot remake what's going on. No, 0.1 was not so bad. Let's go back to 0.1, see how it is. Why? Okay, this is not very exciting, but well, hey, you know what? Screw this, I don't really have to pixel everything just because it's pixelated jam. It's gonna have like one picture frame that is gonna look good, and it's gonna make me happy. Um, just it's a reminder of the previous game. Doesn't matter. So let's see the picture frame now. I want to make it so that it's actually not the whole wall. It's going to be a chunk of the wall. How can I do that? Can just add it directly as a element. Oh, kind of ugly. No, let's so I have this collection class which looks at anything x and y, and what I can say is that if the x and y is let's say like some random number that I pick, it's gonna show it's gonna add something. Like it's gonna add this picture frame. Um, First, let's see. This is the wall. Okay, first I wanna make sure I can add a picture frame. Create doc sprite project limit. There we go. So the numbers, I'm not very good with numbers. So usually what I would do is I would just put some random numbers like plus 50. I guess minus. I'm just going to copy what's up there, kind of. Plus 128. So all those like just random numbers that have absolutely no meaning. The idea is that once I put those numbers in, I can change them. 400 by 150. It's also going to be a self-quotation array. Oh, one thing though is that I have to really be careful about the z part. So this is the z part. I think it's going to look like this. So I'm going to add one just to make sure that the order is correct. Overall light. Yeah, let's keep the normal light. And let's put our picture frame. Let's see what's the result. The result is I don't see anything. -1. Oh, I don't see anything. That's one of the things. Like sometimes you gotta be a little bit conservative about the numbers you change. So let's just put back the numbers the way they were. Except for these ones. Maybe if I try like this, it should work. I should be able to see a picture frame. I don't see anything. It's one of the quirks of programming. Sometimes you leave it stuck, and you can either think logically about what is the right solution, or if you're like me and you're on a stream and you don't want to make things too boring, you just change things until it works. So let's put back. Okay, this is like this. Okay, I think one of the problem is that, oh wow, hey, I got at least the positioning is pretty good. I'm satisfied about the positioning. It's just that the fact that the other wall was hiding this one. So how can I deal with that? It's kind of weird. How come? Oh, if I put 5. But let's see, where's that picture frame? Is it? I think it's inside. -5. See? Ah. So another thing that you can do in this situation, so you're gonna set some debug variable. So I'm gonna set up debug A, B0, C0. Okay, I'm gonna have debug ABC, and I'm gonna go down to for picture frame. Il y a encore moins de personnes, comment ça se fait? Oh. We're gonna go back to our picture frame, and we're going to be what else? We're going to be adding plus debug A. Maybe C first. So the reason I know that it's either this one or this one is because this one, this is the y-axis, so it's either up and down. I don't need to change that, so I'm just gonna need to change the ones on the side. And what's good about this is that now I have access to debug A and debug B. I can just change them. So debug A is 0. Let's say I push it to 10, 20. Ah! Ugh, come back. What happened? Okay. So it was actually on the x-axis. I put it at the wrong place. And it needs to be positive. So maybe if I just put it 1, no, 1 is not enough. 2, 5? 5 is enough. So as you can see from the this picture, this actually represents the penguin. Yeah, that's you, a peng. This is Bonnie, your cute rabbit. And this big monster right here, that's Big Face, but I didn't put it into the game yet. Alright, so +5. And let's keep those debug variables around. I might be able to use them later. Okay, so I don't want to add them in every single case. I'd want to add it only if it's a certain parameters. Actually, the problem is I don't know exactly which war is what in this world. Everything is kind of randomly generated. Ah! It's disappeared. There's some case where it disappeared. Oh, we should better make it 10. Be safe. I want things to disappear on me. Yeah, this engine is very brittle. Disappeared again. There's some places where it disappears. Can't do it. Put it at 20. 20, you're gonna disappear. You're not gonna disappear, right? 20. Still. 20 doesn't show up at all. Oh, this is very annoying. Well, actually, why is... I thought I said why was... yeah, this doesn't make any sense.